Let me use this opportunity to call upon the recipients of the Sun Lifetime Achievement Award to grace the stage to receive the award. They are High Chief Raymond Dokwesi, Chief Emmanuel Iwayanwo, Chief Bisi Akonde, Alhaji Sunny Bello. Put your hands together for them as they come on stage to receive their awards. If you don't mind, please, I'll call again on the recipients of the Lifetime Achievement Awards, High Chief Raymond Dokwesi, Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, Chief Bisi Akonde, and Alhaji Sunny Bello. Please remember, acceptance speeches, just 30 seconds each.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Sun Publishing Limited, I present this award to an icon, a man of many parts, a man who also hosted all the Methodist bishops when we went to Osun State many years ago, a philanthropic. Please collect the award from me, sir.
My Lord Bishop, Your Excellencies, the Senate President, and all the distinguished governors and members of the cabinet and members of the National Assembly, I feel honored and humbled by a recognition of the little I have contributed to the development of this country. Thank you very much.
On behalf of the Sun Publishing Limited, I present this to Ahija Gamba Ndibo, my own brother. Please receive on his behalf. Thank you.
first.
Yes.
I'll lay this here. My most distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I wish to stand on the protocols because I have seen so many VVVIPs, but I want to especially recognize my governor, Onwa Oyokoyo, Onwa Imo, Onwa Netilola Nine, and his very beautiful wife. You know, we thank you so much. And then the award, I really apologize. My father couldn't make it. It had been a very busy week and he was a bit indisposed. But I'm so happy to be here to receive this award. I want to thank His Excellency, Dr. Okoro, the publisher, for this award. Aheji Agamba, my father, treasures this so much. He has got so many awards during his lifetime. But there's something about this award. It's like it crowns it all. Lifetime Achievement Award. He told me he can look back and smile that all his monumental sacrifices, that is highly appreciated. And we are really happy. I received this with joy. And thank you so much. Long live Sun Newspapers. Thank you. God bless you.
Who is representing? Are you representing Raymond? Yes. Okay. On behalf of the Sun Publishing Limited, I hand this over to an erudite scholar and a media guru, Chief Raymond Dokwesi.
Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I know there are so many. Okay. No, just this one. We have very, very important personalities here, and I'd like to also stand on the existing protocols. On behalf of my husband, Chief Dr. Raymond Aleogo Tanimola Dokwesi, I'll take this award, and I'm very grateful. We thank very much, immensely. We thank Sun Publishing Company, and we say we appreciate you. We appreciate this Life Achievement Award. God bless you. Thanks.
All right. Congratulations.
On behalf of the Sun Publishing Limited, I hand this plaque, very specially made, over to you.
Your Excellency is present. I received this Lifetime Achievement Award on behalf of Colonel Sani Bello, who is unavoidably absent here. My name is Muhammad Sani Musa, Senator representing Niger State. Thank you very much.
Good job, sir. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Congratulations to the award recipients. Thank you. We now move on to the next category of awards, and this one is for Public Service Icon.
The Sun Public Service Icon Award goes to Senator Chris Mwabweze Ngige and Right Honorable Chibuike Rotimi Amechi, The current Minister of Labour and Employment, Dr. Chris Nwabweze Ngige, is seen as a beacon of hope and a leading light in public service. A former governor of Anambra and senator who represented Anambra Central Senatorial District, Ngige is regarded by many as an administrative czar and a non-conformist politician extraordinaire. Ngige is a medical doctor with the longest years of post-registration and public service experience in Nigeria. He has over 50 years experience in public service, having joined the civil service and retired in 1998 as a deputy director in the Federal Ministry of Health. Regarded as the man who gave godfatherism a bloody nose in Anambra politics, his 34-month reign as Anambra governor re-engineered the state to greatness, having stopped the bleeding of the state's resources by godfathers, as was the tradition before him. His infrastructural transformation in the state is second to none. He constructed several rural and urban roads, built housing estates, hospitals, and provided electricity infrastructure, among others. As the Minister of Labour and Employment, he has continued with his trailblazing tradition. For these and many more, he is being honored today. Also being honored is Right Honorable Chibike Rotimi Amechi, the current Minister of Transport, whose journey to public service started in 1999 when he won the Rivers State House of Assembly seat on the People's Democratic Party (PDP) platform. He served as Speaker of the House of Assembly for 2 terms, maintaining a robust executive legislature relationship with former Governor Peter Odili. In 2007, Amechi emerged as the Governor of Rivers State after a protracted legal tussle following his earlier disqualification as candidate of the PDP. He was re-elected in 2011 for another 4 years, during which Rivers State witnessed quantum development in infrastructure and education, among other things, thus laying the strong foundation on which the state currently stands. As a minister, Amechi remains one of the most visible cabinet members in the President Muhammadu Buhari-led All Progressives Congress government, where he heads the mass transportation program of the federal government, rehabilitating the moribund train services. His feat in railways revolution has earned him various accolades, the newest of which is the conferment of Dan Amana Daura by the Emir of Daura in Katsina State. For their excellent records in public service, Right Honorable Chibike Rotimi Amechi and Dr. Chris Nwabweze Ngige stands tonight to receive the Sun Public Service Icon Award 2021.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, to present the 2 awards, I want to call on the pioneer managing director of the Sun, Mack, and also the chairman of Slot Technologies, Mr. Nnamdi Ezigbo. Please put your hands together for them. And at this juncture, I want to call on the recipients of the Public Service Icon Sun Awards, Dr. Chris Ngige and Honorable Chibike Rotimi Amechi. Please put your hands together to welcome them.
evening, ladies and gentlemen. We started this award 19 years ago, and I was the pioneer managing director and editor-in-chief of The Sun. And I'm happy to say that every year the Sun Award gets better and better and better. We give God all the glory. On behalf of the Sun Publishing, I would like to present this Public Service Icon Award to this Senator Chris Ngige. Okay. Such an honor to meet you, sir. God bless you. Thanks for everything you are doing for Nigeria. Yeah, thank you. This goes. Oh, okay. Okay. And this is, I think there's a second one here. Yes. All for you. This is to certify that Senator Chris Ngige, Minister of Labor and Employment, is the winner of the award, Public Service Icon of the Year 2021. Congratulations.
All right, the recipients have 30 seconds to respond, please. To respond, 30 seconds, Doctor. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, Mr. Senior President, Senior Prefect of all the senators in Nigeria, and the publisher of the Sun newspapers, Your Excellency, Governor of Imo State, Onwa Oyoko, only in Imo State, not in Anambra. You can't cross to Anambra. I will not allow you. I want to thank everybody who came to grace this occasion in which the Sun newspaper decided to recognize some of our contribution in the area of public service. We're grateful. This will spur us on so that we can serve our country better. As you all know, presidency is a place. I'm an aspirant, presidential aspirant. Number one, presidential aspirant. So let us all pray that our heart desires will work so that Nigeria can benefit from it. I want to dedicate this honor, these awards, to two groups of people. First, my father, my late father, who died at age 105, and my mom, who sent me to school, both of them, despite the hardship of people being civil servants and earning counted money. My father, as supervisor of works in the then PWD, saved all the money needed to send me and my siblings to school. Education is power. So we thank my father and my mother where they are, and we ask that they smile in their graves for a occasion like this. My immediate family, my wife, and my children, Dr. Miss Evelyn Ngige, and the other three children, Dr. Raphael Ngige, Dr. NNAMDIKANU Ngige, and Dr. Marilyn Amaka Ngige, for letting me have the time to roam about the place as a politician. You know, we roam about. We have no garage. We have no sleeping place. We don't know what is happening at home. It's the women at home that take care. So I dedicate this to my wife and my children, and ask that God bless us all in Jesus' name.
Thank you, Honorable Minister, for that very, very, very short speech. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
On behalf of the Sun Publishing, the board and the management of the Sun, I'd like to present the Public Service Icon Award to Honorable Chibuike Rotimi Amechi, the Minister of Transport. Congratulations. Okay. And this is to certify that Honorable Chibuike Rotimi Amechi, the Minister of Transportation, is the winner of this award, Public Service Icon of the Year 2021. Congratulations.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Nigeria's most resourceful, most innovative, most dynamic minister, the Right Honorable Chibuike Rotimi Amechi, I want to convey my appreciation to the board and management of Sun newspapers. Now, the Right Honorable Chibuike Rotimi Amechi has asked me to convey his apology. He would have been here. He attended a function in Yola, and because of bad weather, his aircraft couldn't take off from Yola. You know the Right Honorable Chibuike Rotimi Amechi, not just for the fact that he has redefined public service in Nigeria, or that he's Mr. Railway Revolution, or he's Nigeria's all-time performing governor, whose record remains not only a symbol of excellence, he represents hope for a new Nigeria. He's asked me, therefore, to dedicate this award to all Nigerians who believe that Nigeria can be great again. By the special grace of God, he has offered himself to work for the Nigerian people so that a new Nigeria where there is limitless opportunities is possible. Just before a round of this speech, I will ask the champion of Railway Revolution to just say good evening to all. May I invite the Managing Director, Nigerian Railway Corporation, to just say good evening to everybody.
Good evening and thank you. Looking forward to a better Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next category is upon us. And this time it's for Investor of the Year.
Our investors of the year are Chief Oke Bernard Nzemwa and Dr. Charles Mba. Over the past 2 decades, Chief Oke Bernard Nzemwa has succeeded in areas that many dared not to venture into in a bid to impact the lives of Nigerians. In April 2018, when he injected an estimated $9.9 million arranged by the Nigerian Export and Import Bank, Nexon, and the Bank of Industry to revive a moribund beverage company, Golden Guinea Brewers, many wondered what Nzemwa saw in an entity that most investment analysts considered a wreck at Umuahia, the Abia state capital. This vision perhaps must have been a major driving force when he opted to double Golden Guinea Lager beer's capacity to 48,000 bottles per hour, twice more than what it was producing prior to the 2003 fire incident that incapacitated the firm. In working hard to revive the company, Nzemwa saw hope, jobs for many of Nigerians, restoration and a bright future for a company that was the pride of the Southeast as a legacy institution for old Eastern Nigeria. In the years he had operated as a private sector icon, Nzemwa, a lawyer and an astute businessman, whose interests traverse several critical sectors of the Nigeria economy, has proven his mettle as a builder and entrepreneur par excellence, whose Midas touch had turned little greenfield enterprises into global giants. For his efforts in investing heavily into different sectors of the economy, thereby ensuring the direct and indirect employment of thousands of Nigerians, Nzenwa, a knight of St. Mulumba, is being honored today with another investor, Dr. Charles Mba, the Chief Executive Officer of CDV Properties and Development Limited, and a member of Real Estate Developers Association of Nigeria, REDAN. Dr. Charles Mba, a graduate of microbiology of the University of Nigeria in Nsukka, after working in different corporations and garnering experience, set up his own real estate development firm and over the years established himself as a world-class developer, real estate mogul and entrepreneur. Mba initiated and developed quality as well as functional estates in prime locations in Lekki, Lagos and other urban centers across the country. These include CDV Mini Estate, White Oak Estate, South Lake Homes Phase 1, 2 and 3, Deank Terraces and Applewood Estate, among others. For his giant strides in estate development, Forbes named him as one of the top players in the sector in Nigeria last year. His company, the 34V Engineering, is also a force to be reckoned with in the nation's road construction sector, with many excellently executed projects to his credit. Mba has also invested in education by setting up a school, Jason's Tender Care Lagos, which has grown to be an important player in the sector. He has also, through his scholarship scheme, helped many indigent students realize their educational dreams in diverse fields. For investing heavily into different sectors of the economy, Dr. Charles Mba and Chief Oke Nzenwa are awarded the Sun Investor of the Year 2021.
Thank you for still finding time to give us an applause. To present the Investor of the Year award, I have somebody who is the founder / CEO of Slot Technologies. Please, let's welcome Nnamdi Ezigbo. Thank you. And I want to use this opportunity to call on the recipients of Investor of the Year Sun Awards, Dr. Charles Mba and Chief Oke Nzenwa. Please put your hands together for them as they come to the stage to receive their accolades. Please, recipients, please remember that we have 30 seconds for you to respond. After 30 seconds, the sound template is going to cut off the microphone. I'm sorry, it's not me, it's the technology. So 30 seconds, thank you. All right,
His Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for being part of this program. Last year I was a recipient of this award, of Sun Newspaper Award, and so this time I'm here to make presentations to two people who have distinguished themselves as investors. And so I will start with Oke Nzenwa. All right, so let me have it. Sorry. All right, so do we have him here? Oh, you are representing him. All right, so on behalf of Sun Newspaper Award, I make this presentation to Mr. Oke Nzenwa. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
All right, congratulations.
I'm standing on the existing protocol, but I wouldn't fail to recognize the wife of my able governor, Mrs. Nkechi Ibazu. Welcome, ma'am. I thank the management of the Sun for this wonderful award, well deserved. And on behalf of my boss, Chief Barrister Okechukwu Nzenwa, who is unavoidably absent today, we dedicate this award to the management and staff of Golden Guinea Breweries here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
All right, congratulations. Okay, is where's the second one? Second one. All right, the second person here who has also distinguished himself as an investor, all right, investor of the year. Congratulations. So on on behalf of Sun Newspaper, all right, Sun Newspaper Award, I want to make this presentation to Dr. Charles Mba. Congratulations. All right, so let's take a picture. All right, congratulations. Please.
His Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, may I stand on the existing protocol. First of all, I wish to thank the staff and management of Sun Newspaper for finding me worthy of this great award today. Also, I thank my family, my wife, who is here with me, for the encouragement and support all over the years. Also, I thank all my friends that have come here today to witness this great day. And as well, I wish them all well. And finally, I wish to dedicate this award to the teaming staff of CDV Group that has worked tirelessly over the years to make sure that we'll get to where we are today. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to our winners, and thank you for adhering to our 30-second rule. All right, it's time for the next award, and that is for Humanitarian Service Icon. The Sun Award for Humanitarian Service Icon. There are two winners in this category.
The Humanitarian Service Icon Award goes to Senator Uche Ekwunife and Mrs. Toyin Saraki. Senator Uche Lillian Ekwunife is one of those quintessential women who have broken the glass ceiling that the society has placed on female folks. The former top banker turned federal legislator represented Anyocha Njikoka Dunukofia Federal Constituency of Anambra State in the House of Representatives between 2007 and 2015. In 2015, she was elected into the Senate, where she represented Anambra Central. She also won senatorial election in 2019. She is the first woman and Southeasterner to chair the Senate Committee on Petroleum Resources downstream, and she has sponsored over 28 bills. Mrs. Ekwunife has built and handed over 26 houses to widows and indigent folks, earning her the nickname Ojuno Emogo, she who uses house as gifts. In the last 1 year alone, she has single-handedly secured jobs for over 800 people. She has facilitated roads for 58 communities of her senatorial district. Recently, she concluded entrepreneurial development and skills acquisition training for women and youths in Anambra Central. Her achievements include the National Office for Technology Acquisition and Promotion, NOTAP, Technology Storyboard Distribution Program, which benefited about 9 schools in Anambra State, facilitation of a strategic seminar for the clergy in Anambra Central, and training for the President General in Anambra Central and others. Senator Uche Lillian Ekwunife is a winner. Another winner is Mrs. Toyin Saraki, the former First Lady of Kwara State and founder of the Wellbeing Foundation Africa, with unwavering commitment to the reduction of maternal and infant mortality in Africa. Born on September 6, 1964, into the Ojora family of Lagos, she is married to former Senate President Dr. Bukola Saraki, a lawyer with degrees from the London School of Oriental and African Studies and King's College, London. She had an unpleasant experience in 1991 with her first pregnancy when she lost one of her babies. She then vowed to always support other pregnant women to have safe delivery. In 2004, she founded the WBFA, and the project has continued to bring succor to people years after leaving public office. In the last 18 years, many women, infants, young adults, and families in the country have benefited immensely from WBFA. The foundation, through its Mama Care program, has also trained thousands of midwives and provided basic health education to thousands of pregnant women in Africa. Mrs. Saraki is an advocate of the United Nations Every Woman, Every Child campaign. She is on the boards of the Global Foundation for the Elimination of Domestic Violence and the Africa Justice Foundation. Recently, she was appointed as the first World Health Organization WHO Foundation Ambassador for Global Health. These two iconic women, Mrs. Toyin Saraki and Senator Uche Ekwunife, are winners of the Sun Humanitarian Service Icon Award.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, to present this award, that is the Humanitarian Service Icon Awards, I have the pleasure of inviting the chairman of GAC Motors. She is Triple Chief Diana Chang. Please put your hands together for her. All right. It is my pleasure to invite the winners or the recipients of the Humanitarian Service Icon Awards, Mrs. Toyin Saraki and Uche Ekwunife. Please put your hands together for them as they come and bask and revel in the glory of their accolade.
Good evening. I would like to, on behalf of some newspaper, to give this some humanitarian service icon to the founder, Wellbeing Foundation Africa, Mrs. Toyin Saraki. Congratulations, madams.
All right, so we'll have 30 seconds to give a response.
Your Excellencies, the 14th President of the Senate and the 13th President of the Senate, my dear husband. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Lagos State, and all distinguished excellencies here and all distinguished First Ladies, all their excellencies, the former governors here today, all the members of government, my royal father, the Olugbo, and his Olori, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I'd like to thank Almighty God that has brought us here today safely. I would also like to very much thank the editor-in-chief of the Sun newspaper, Chief Onoaha Eke, and all the members of the Sun newspaper here today, including My Excellency Oji Kalu. I really don't have very much to say because I stand before you as a daughter of Nigeria, a sister, a mother, and a woman in this country. I'm happy to be able to stand as a product of the Nigerian dream, of education, of rights, of equity, and of the prospect of a better future for every Nigerian citizen, man, woman, and child. I've dedicated my life since 1991 to being a voice for those who are not in this room today, the mothers, the midwives, the nurses, and the medical workers. We have seen progress go from 1 in 6 deaths in 2004 when I started my foundation to 1 in 20 deaths today, but that progress is still not enough. So I hope that you will all join me and join the nation in making a better Nigeria for every single citizen, no matter where they find themselves. I thank you once again, and I thank Almighty God. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you very much. Congratulations. All right. The second award, the recipient for Humanitarian Service Icon, will be presented, Yomuche Ekunife. Okay, thank you, thank you.
On behalf of Sun newspaper, I would like to present the Sun Humanitarian Service Icon to Senator Wuchi Ekunife. Congratulations.
All right.
Your Excellency, Mr. President of the Senate, Senator Ahmed Lawan, Your Excellency, the Chief Whip of the Senate, His Excellency Senator Oji Zakalu, the Governor of Imo State, all Excellencies present, my dear husband and the love of my life, Chief Larry Ekunife, very distinguished audience. First of all, I would like to express my deep appreciation on behalf of my children and the good people of Anambra Central Senatorial District to Sun Management for finding me worthy of this very prestigious award. For me, the essence of living is to impact on the lives of the downtrodden and the lives of the less privileged. And that has actually made me to invest most of my time and money on those less privileged people around us. I would like to appreciate my senior president in a very special way, because this award wouldn't have been possible without what God used you to do by extending those things that helped me to make a change on those living around me. Having said that, I want to appreciate everyone has found time to be here this evening to celebrate with us. I truly appreciate. I want to dedicate this award to my constituents, the good people of Anambra Central Senatorial District. I also use the opportunity to ask everyone here to put me in your prayers, because I've declared to go back to my seat as a senator representing Anambra Central Senatorial District. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you. Okay, so photo operations. Now, wow. If I'm ever fortunate to win the Sun Awards, I'll bring every member of my local government to this stage. Thank you very much, and congratulations to you and everyone. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Congratulations to the recipients so far. It's time for us to break it with some music, all right? So I have the pleasure of introducing to you members of the Heroes Band. They've been serenading you all evening, and they will do so right now during this interlude. Enjoy.
Celebration lasts throughout the years. So bring a good time and laughter too. We gonna celebrate a party with you. Come on now, celebration. We gonna celebrate a party with you. Come on now, celebration. Let's celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone round the world. Come on. Yahoo! Hear the celebration. Yeah, yeah. Yahoo! Come on, everybody say, hey, celebrate good times. Come on. Yeah, here's the celebration. Hey, celebrate good times. Come on. Hey, there's a party going on right here. A delegation will last around years. So bring a good time. Really, I said you. We gonna celebrate the party with you. Come on now. Celebrate. for our celebration. Hey, let's celebrate and have a good time. Say, hey, it's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone, one for one. Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, here is Playboy. Yeah. Look at her. She's a bad mama. Oh, yes, it's fine as she could be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She's a bad mama. Just as fine as she could be. Hey, say, lot of things ain't put it in animation. She's got a big girl, approach motion. Approach motion. See what they ought to see. Oh, you love me. She's cute. Oh, she's got her the good in me life. Hey, she's cute. Oh, she's got all the good in me life. Come on, everybody say, hey, she's a bad mama jama. Oh, that's as fine as she could be. Yeah, she's a bad mama jama. Yeah, that's as fine as she could be. Looks like she poured to the cold, she bad. Oh, she hit really. Oh, so lovely. She's sassy. Oh, classy. See the athlete. Oh, she put it out to sea. She's cute. Oh, she's got. She got her to go to midnight. Oh, she's cute. Oh, she's got. Got her to go to midnight. Yeah, she's a bad mama jump. Yeah, that's as far as she could be. Yeah, she's a bad mama jump. That's as far as she could be. Yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, good music coming to you from the heroes, man. Sit back, relax, and have a good time. Whenever dawn is falling, you know I hit the groove and get the feeling up until the day is dawning. You know I hit the groove and get the feeling up, 'cause there's music in the air and no such loving everywhere. So give me the night. Just give me the night. We need a healing action. A glass of wine, a place to dine, a little late romance until the day is morning. You know I ain't the groove and get the feeling up, 'cause there's music in the air and no such loving everywhere. So give me the night. Just give me the night. So come on out tonight, and we'll leave the honors on a ride through paradise. And if you feel alright, then we could be lovers, 'cause I see the starlight look in your eyes, and you know we can fly. Just give me the night. Give me the night. Cause there's music in the air and not such loving everywhere. Give me the night. Give me the night. Everywhere. Give me the night.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to continue. I know that dinner has been served, but we have to make judicious use of time. So we have to do a little bit of multitasking because we don't want the award to go way into the night. All right. We just returned from the Humanitarian Service Icon Award. Now it's time for Banking Icon of the Decade.
Dr. Adeshola Kazeem Adedotun, Managing Director and CEO, First Bank Nigeria, as a banker of almost 3 decades. He has expertise in diverse areas, including financial and risk management, treasury and performance management, strategy design and execution, information technology and compliance, all of which prepared him for his current role as head of Nigeria's premier financial institution. Under his leadership, First Bank has grown locally and internationally, consolidating its excellent performance as a systematically important bank, SIB. He has ensured that the bank extended its business network across Africa, the United Kingdom, France, and China, with a strategic objective of creating value for stakeholders across strong retail banking franchise. It is to Adedotun's credit that First Bank became a pioneer of the sustainable banking principles set out by the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, focusing on value creation, cost reduction, increasing revenues, and enhancing brand reputation. He articulated and implemented an agent banking proposition as a part of his retail strategy to support the financial inclusion initiative of the CBN, with a view to driving market penetration and reducing the unbanked population in Nigeria. Through this, First Bank has built the most expensive network covering 772 of the 774 local government areas in Nigeria, with more than 157,000 active agents. As First Bank MD, Adedotun has rapidly reduced the bank's non-performing loan portfolio amid high interest rate, low GDP, poor credit appraisal, inflation, unemployment, and improper lending currently facing the nation. He has also driven the bank's NPL ratio significantly down from double digits in 2016 to single digits in 2021. Vintage NPL is to 1%. A fellow of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, Adedotun stands out as an achiever with an enduring legacy. He is a worthy recipient of the Sun Banker of the Year Award for 2021.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, to present this spectacular category is no other person than the chairman of United Airlines. Please, let's give a warm welcome to Dr. Opiora Okonkwo. Please put your hands together for him. Thank you. It gives me great pleasure to announce the winner of this category, the award D. Please put your hands together for Dr. Adeshola Adedunton. Doctor, you are a past winner of this award. Past winner, past presenter.
That's right.
That's right. So maybe next year you will be MC too, because you are involved in everything.
Well, as long as they will pay me half the salary you have been paid today.
Half the salary. Okay, let's switch salaries. Let's switch salaries. Congratulations.
Good evening, Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I have the singular honor tonight to present these prestigious the Sun Awards 2021 Banking Icon of the Decade. Take note, not of the year, Banking Icon of the Decade, to Dr. Adesola Kazeem Adeduta, MD, CEO, First Bank Nigeria Limited. Congratulations. This is to certify that Adesola Kazeem Adetutan, MD, CEO, First Bank Nigeria Limited, is winner of this award, Banking Icon of the Decade 2021, from the Sun newspaper, Voice of the Nation. Congratulations.
So after the photo ops, they will give their acceptance speech. Of course, it is restricted to a 30-second time frame.
I would like to stand on existing protocol while recognizing the Senate President, a fellow alumni of Cranfield University, who has always been very kind to us. The award, which I've just received now, I want to thank the publisher and the Sun Publishing for recognizing the work that we're doing at First Bank. And that award is dedicated to my family and all members of staff of First Bank. This is an industry where a tree does not make a forest. Everybody has played their part in contributing to where the institution is today. Thank you for this award. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Congratulations. All right, let's proceed to the next category. This one is for Banker of the Year. And here it is.
Emmanuel Ndubisi Mbaka, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Platinum Mortgage Bank Limited. Emmanuel Ndubisi Mbaka is a consummate banker, administrator, brilliant businessman, property luminary, and philanthropist par excellence. Regarded as the father of modern mortgage banking, Mbaka's tenacity, humanness, and business prowess has stood him out and made him tower above his peers in mortgage banking. With over 3 decades of experience in banking and other reputable sectors, Mbaka uses banking to meet housing needs of Nigerians. As the pioneer MD and CEO of First Generation Homes Savings and Loans Limited, over 5,000 houses were developed and accessed by contributors to the National Housing Fund scheme. He has equally created landlords through mortgage arrangements as the chairman of Trademore International Holdings Limited and Minfa Properties and Investments Limited. He has contributed in the education and general welfare of over 218 Nigerian children from several orphanages across the country. He also built St. Anne's Pro-Cathedral Catholic Church in Eluama, Isukwato, Abia State, donated transformers and sunk boreholes for communities across the country. An alumnus of the Rivers State University of Science and Technology, Port Harcourt, the Abia State-born Mbaka stands before the world to receive the Sun Banker of the Year Award 2021.
All right, thank you. All right, I want to call on Professor Obiora Okonkwo, Chairman of United Nigeria Airlines, to come do the honors once again. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to invite the recipient of Banker of the Year Award, Chief Emmanuel Mbaka, Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer of Platinum Mortgage Bank. Please welcome him.
distinguished guests, I am glad to be back again with the privilege of presenting the second award of the Sun Awards 2021 Banker of the Year, presented to Mr. Emmanuel Mbaka, MD, CEO, Platinum Mortgage Bank Limited. Congratulations. And the certificate that Emmanuel Mbaka, MD, CEO, Platinum Mortgage Limited, Abuja, is winner of this award, Bank of the Year 2021. Congrats.
Good evening. I'd like to stand on existing protocol. I'm here to receive this award on behalf of Dr. Emmanuel Mbaka, who is unavoidably absent. We would like to thank the publisher of the Sun newspapers for this award and recognition, and we pray that the contributions of Sun newspapers to the development of Nigeria will forever continue to go higher. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you very much, Professor. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. I mean, it's very difficult to have dinner and still applaud, but you're doing it. Thank you so very much. I have this next category. This one is for Industrialist of the Year, and there are two recipients for Industrialist of the Year.
Ebuka Okafor and Emmanuel Ihiagwazi. These are the Industrialists of the Year. Chief Ebuka Okafor, Chairman, Vigzer Pharmaceutical Limited, some years ago, set up a company to produce drugs in partnership with similar licensed companies in China and India. Today, it has grown into a multi-billion naira outfit, becoming one of Nigeria's leading pharmaceutical companies, a position it's clinched with its production of high-quality drugs. With over 100 registered products with the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAMDAC, Vigzer Pharmaceuticals has, in pushing the boundaries, become a household name. Born in Eziora Ifite village, Ebenesi, Nnobi, Anambra State, Chief Okafor has succeeded in building a business empire that not only gives credence to his prophetic name, but also makes him a name to be reckoned with in the committee of billionaire businessmen and philanthropists. In philanthropy, Okafor has touched and changed lives in a way they never could have imagined through his Ebuka Okafor Foundation that focuses on relieving the widows, orphans, and other less privileged of their plights through medical outreach and other gifting. The Sun Industrialist of the Year goes to Okafor and also to Emmanuel Ihiagwazi, another businessman, philanthropist, and industrialist of repute. Ihiagwazi is the founder and chief executive officer of Climax Lubricants Industries Limited, a fast-growing lubricants blending company in Nigeria and West Africa. Those close to him would easily testify that he is an epitome of humility and a firm believer in hard work and dedication. Between 12 years and now, when Climax Lubricants Industries got a license to operate, the company has developed top-range automobile and industrial lubricants, ranging from Climax Multi-Grade Oil, Climax Auto Lube, Climax Diesel, Climax Full Synthetic Lubricants to Climax Gold. No doubt, Ihiagwazi is a meticulous entrepreneur who combines strong business skills with diligence. He incorporates the functions of a chief executive with that of any other staff of the company. He believes in leadership by example and exudes genuine love, care, and empathy for his workers and customers. For their innovative ideas, drive, and contributions to the development of the industrial sector, Emmanuel Ihiagwazi and Ebuka Okafor wins the Sun Industrialist of the Year Award 2021.
Okay, to present this category of Industrialist of the Year, I have the Honorable Minister of State, Mines and Steel Development. There's a round of applause for Dr. Uche Oga. I have the pleasure of calling on the winners of the category Industrialist of the Year. Please put your hands together for Chief Ebuka Okafor and Mr. Emmanuel Ihegwazi.
Is Chuka Okafor. Okay, Ebuka Okafor, the chairman, Vixa Pharmaceutical Limited. The Sun, the voice of the nation. This is to satisfy that Ebuka Okafor, the chairman, Vixa Pharmaceutical Limited, is the winner of this award, Industrialist of the Year 2021. Congratulations on behalf of the Sun. Congratulations. Congrats.
The Excellencies, the Senate President, and the governors, I wish to say very big thank to the Sun. I and my family are saying very big thanks to the Sun for this award. It's a very big milestone to us. We are going to do more to make sure that before next year, we are going to make 70% of local production of pharmaceutical products in Nigeria. Thank you so much.
All right, so photographs, please. All right, congratulations. So the next category, sir. Thank you. Congratulations, sir.
Emmanuel. The next awardee, or the next winner of this year's Industrialist of the Year goes to Chief Emmanuel Masi, the Chairman, Climax Lubricant Industrialist Limited. Today, you are having the award of the Son, the voice of the nation, as an industrialist award winner. On behalf of the Son, I want to congratulate you and your group. Congratulations and God bless you.
Congratulations. Whereas the next one is for hospitality personality category. Hospitality personality category. It's back on. Okay, so acceptance.
Good evening, His Excellency, ladies and gentlemen. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate the Sun newspaper for this award. And I want to dedicate this award to the great staff of Climax who has worked hardly to bring us to this level. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations to you, and well done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next one is for hospital. We're getting to the crescendo of the awards. The next one is for hospitality personality. The next award is for hospitality personality. Okay, so I will. All right, so allow me to proceed to the next category. And this
Chief Augustine Okoro, popularly called Zillion, hails from Amici, Ukbo, in Nnewi South local government area of Anambra State. A man from a humble background, he started his business life as an apprentice in 1993 in the electronics segment of the popular Alaba International Market, Lagos. After 5 years of diligent service to his master, Chief Okoro, with a seed money of 23,525 naira, started selling electrical materials. In 1998, he traveled to China to buy ICT products in small quantities, a trip he repeated in 2002 for the Chinese trade fair, where he got inspiration to begin importation of electrical materials, lightning and cables. With a blossoming business, Okoro veered into security doors dealership in 2007 with an outlet at the Kuka area of Lagos. From there, he forayed into real estate where he made huge profits. In 2018, he completed the Croatian Villa Hotel Abuja. At the moment, Okoro is building the second largest hotel in Abuja with 225 rooms and 14 halls under the basement. His story has remained inspirational, teaching about hard work, perseverance, humility, and patience. His desire to create jobs, add value to the economy, and touch lives is unqualified. Okoro stands tall as the Sun Hospitality Icon 2021.
I want to call on Dr. Olga to come again and do the presentation. And I would like to call on, hang on. I would like to call on the winner of the Hospitality Personality. This is the Chairman CEO, Corinthia Hotels and Suites. Please put your hands together for Chief Augustine Okoro as he comes to the stage to receive his honor.
Congrats. Congrats, madam. Congrats. The President of the Senate, Governors here present, Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm here to present an award to the Hospitality Personality of the Year for 2021, which goes to Chief Augustine Okoro on behalf of the Sun, the voice of the nation. I hereby present this award to you as the winner of the Hospitality Personality of the Year. Once again, congratulations and God bless you.
Acceptance speech, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Augustine Okoro. Yes, I have received the award of Sun 2021 Hospitality Industry in Nigeria. The same time, I thank everybody who comes to these occasions. They welcome for everybody to assist me to be in this occasion. Then I appreciate from Sun Organization of Nigeria for this award happen in Jesus' name. Amen.
All right, congratulations. So photos, please. Photos, let's go. It's time to take photos. Well, Chief must be popular. The whole state came along with him. All right. Thank you very much. Congratulations to you. Thank you, Doctor, for your presentation. The next one is for Man of the Year. That's the next award. Standing by.
Abdul Samad Rabiu. His name might not easily ring a bell in the social circles due to his humble lifestyle, but his economic footprints would always expose him. Abdul Samad Rabiu's journey to greatness and selflessness started over 4 decades ago. He is the founder and chairman of Bua Group, a conglomerate that specializes in manufacturing, infrastructure, and agriculture sector. Over the years, Bua has continued to expand and diversify its resources from commodity trading to the steel business, billets production, importation of iron ore, and construction of multiple rolling mills. Bua, by 2008, had broken an 8-year monopoly in the Nigerian sugar industry by commissioning the second largest sugar refinery in sub-Saharan Africa. Forbes, in 2020, estimated Rabiu's wealth at $3.2 billion, making him the 716th richest man in the world. Early this year, he became the second richest man in Nigeria and the 5th in Africa, according to Forbes. Rabiu and his son topped the list of Nigerian wealthiest billionaires from stocks after they made 508 billion naira in close to 1 month, which amounts to about 20.3 billion naira daily. An enviable record. Rabiu's philanthropy through the Bua Foundation has touched many lives. With his wealth, he blesses others. For impacting humanity and contributing immensely to economic growth as well as wealth and job creation, Abdul Samad Rabiu is the Sun Man of the Year for 2021.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have this award is going to be presented as Man of the Year, is going to be presented by the former governor of Osun State, His Excellency Chief Bisi Akonde. Please put your hands together for His Excellency Chief Bisi Akonde. Thank you. This is for Man of the Year. Plaques, please. I have the distinguished honor to call to come to the stage the chairman of BUA Group, Alhaji Abdul Samad Rabiu, Man of the Year. Can we have Man of the Year? Okay, all right. I go ahead. All right. Okay, let's play the tape for the second recipient of Man of the Year, please.
Ebonyi State before now wore a garment of pity in terms
of the governor of Ebonyi State. He is the Sun Man of the Year also. Please put your hands together for him, and I see a very, very colorful entourage making its way to the stage. The entourage is adorned with the colors yellow and red, and as they come to tower gracefully on stage to receive this accolade, it makes the whole state of Ebonyi very proud.
On behalf of the publishers of the Sun's newspapers, I have the honor of presenting to you the award of the Man of the Year, my dear Governor Dave. My congratulations. This is to certify that His Excellency Dave Umahi, Governor, Ebonyi State, is the winner of this award, Man of the Year 2021. I have the honor to present.
All right, photographs, please. Go ahead. Music, down's the music. Acceptance speech.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me very specially recognize the President of the Senate. Mr. President, you are welcome. At this point, let me convey the deepest appreciation of the Governor of Ebonyi State and Chairman Southeast Governors Forum for this yet another honor, the foremost honor and recognition by the Sun newspapers. For this, my dear Governor sends his appreciation to the Chairman, Board, and Management of Sun Newspapers Limited. For him, this is an award that is for humanity, and he therefore does dedicate this award to humanity and does hope that with all of us, we shall build a greater nation. Thank you and God bless you.
Congratulations. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you. Congratulations to Ebonyi State. Oh, what a joyful fanfare. That's how they do it in Ebonyi State. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for what we've been waiting for, Governor of the Year. Now, I want the people in the control room, please. There are 3 recipients in this category. So we suggest you play the tape for the 3, please. We want you to roll tape on all the 3 recipients so that we can give them the awards in one caboodle. So please,
Governor of the Year. 3 years down the line, Lagos residents can carry their shoulders high for giving their mandate to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. He has not for once slowed down the pace in fulfilling his campaign promises. Sanwo-Olu is intelligent, resilient, smart and impatient in executing life-transforming projects across the state. Born on June 25, 1965, Sanwo-Olu is an accomplished banker turned politician. He rose in his career through hard work and exceptional performance. As Governor of Lagos, he has completed numerous projects and others are still ongoing. Some of them are Lagos State Affordable Public Housing Scheme, Badagry, 110-bed maternal and child center and School of Anesthesia at Badagry General Hospital, Lagos Homes at Lekki Phase 1, Ibrahim, Surulere and Ikorodu. Sanwo-Olu completed the Agege Pen Cinema Dual Carriage Flyover with adjoining roads, constructed Marseille Children Hospital, Lagos Island, commissioned new blocks of classrooms in many schools, restructured the Jerry Road in Ikorodu, commissioned 110 bed wards at Ekpe Mother and Child Center, MCC, and commissioned 100 housing units in Lekki. To ease traffic, he has acquired 3 trains for the Lagos Blue Line Rail project, with massive construction on the train stations across the state and many more. Babajide Sanwo-Olu is the Sun Governor of the Year 2021.
Senator Hope Odidika Uzodimma, Governor of Imo State, is silently working to make the state better in spite of the challenges facing the state. Many have described him as a silent achiever, quietly delivering dividends of democracy to his people. Those who knew the state of roads in Owerri, the capital city, before Uzodimma assumed office, will be proud of the reconstruction of Douglas Road to Naze Junction, Links Hotel Road, Hospital Junction, Emmanuel College to Pastoral Center, Imo Police Headquarters Road, Nekedi Old Road Bridge, Amakohia Flyover Road, among others. Also, the Owerri Olu and Owerri Okigwe Dual Carriageway, which are critical intercity roads, are being reconstructed as major gateways to the 2 evolving cities in the state. Uzodimma is aggressively rehabilitating other infrastructures across the state and restoring hope to Imo people. For the first time in decades, public taps are dispensing water in parts of Owerri, even as Owerri Main Market is being rebuilt. In the education sector, the governor has built a new polytechnic at Omuma. He has also remodeled the University of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences, Umagwo, to make it a cutting-edge institution. His administration has repackaged the Imo State University, providing state-of-the-art equipment. Primary and secondary schools are also receiving attention. Without a doubt, his accomplishments in the last 2 years, even in the midst of glaring challenges, evidently stand him out. Senator Uzodimma is winner, Sun Governor of the Year Award 2021.
Senator Bala Muhammad, Governor of Bauchi State, is one of the few public office holders who have served as senator, minister and governor. Born on October 5, 1958, Muhammad began his career as a journalist in the early 1980s and rose to the position of news editor of the Mirage newspaper, Jos, between 1982 and 1983. In 1984, he joined the civil service as an administrative officer under the Federal Ministry of Internal Affairs, Abuja. Muhammad was elected senator in 2007 to represent Bauchi South Senatorial District, where he served and made his marks under different committees. The then President Goodluck Jonathan appointed him Minister of Federal Capital Territory in April 2010, a position he held till 2015. In 2019, he contested as governor on the platform of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and defeated the incumbent governor. He is tirelessly working on a blueprint of transforming Bauchi, tagged My Bauchi Project. His administration has awarded hundreds of kilometers of road projects, that cut across urban and rural areas. He has also restored the lost glory of critical sectors of the economy, particularly in education, health, agriculture, and youth empowerment, among others. For his tenacity of purpose, Bala Muhammad is the Sun Governor of the Year 2021.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for Governor of the Year. This is to be presented. I have three wonderful personalities to do the presentation. I want to call upon the Senate President, Senator Ahmed Lawan. I also call on the founder of the Sun, Senator Oji Kalu, and of course he's going to be accompanied by Barrister Nea Uzo Kalu. Please, presenters, step on stage if you can. Thank you so very much. Supporters, please, this stage is going to fall. Because I know those names I called, the whole state of Lagos will be here. So please, just a few key supporters, please. Our stage is not very... This way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I call on Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State to please step to receive his award. Okay. Please, I know echo is for sure, but just key supporters because our state, just a few. Okay. You know, they love their governor. They love the governor so much they can't do without him. Echo for sure. Oh.
Your Excellencies.
Just please, Lagos State first. Please hang on, please. Just Lagos State first. Please, it's okay. It's okay, please. Please. Thank you. Go ahead, Excellency.
Your Excellencies, very distinguished and honored members of the National Assembly, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor and privilege to present this very important Sun Award 2021 Governor of the Year to His Excellency Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the Governor of Lagos State, my professional brother and friend, Your Excellency. Let me read the second one. This is to certify that His Excellency Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Governor Lagos State, is winner of this award, Governor of the Year 2021, and on behalf of the Sun Publishing Limited, I present to you this certificate. Thank you. Congratulations.
Your Excellency.
Excellency brought his microphone.
Well, Lagos.
Lagos.
Your Excellency, the Senate President. Excellencies, my brother governors. Your Excellency, our big Egbon, the distinguished Senator, Ozi Uzo Kalu, the acting publisher, my cabinet members that are here, Ibrahim, and my people from all the various markets in Lagos. I acknowledge each and every one of you. Let me say very humbly that indeed we have been receiving award, but the Sun Award is the award. We want to thank you very much, the publisher, management staff, and staff of the Sun. We do not take this very, very lightly at all. This is another clarion call for us to put in more work, because a whole lot is still being expected of us. We want to thank you very much and want to dedicate humbly to the entire people of Lagos State who were committed to continue to serve. Thank you very much.
Lagos. Lagos. Photographs, please. Photographs. All right, so the next recipient, thank you very much, Entourage. Please, the next recipient for Governor of the Year, I have the pleasure of inviting to come on stage His Excellency, Governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodimma. Okay, that's enough. No more on stage, please. Otherwise, the stage will definitely collapse. Please, no more on stage. No more on stage, please. I must insist. Please, no more on stage. Oh, my. Please. Microphone. Wait, excuse me, please. Excuse me. Wait. Sorry, sir. It's... Please, ladies and gentlemen, please.
Your Excellencies.
The stage is too delicate, please.
Your Excellencies, our governors, distinguished and honored members of the National Assembly, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege and honor on behalf of the management and staff of the Sun Newspaper Publishing to present the Sun Awards 2021 Governor of the Year to His Excellency Hope Uzodimma, Governor of Imo State. Before I make that presentation, let me say that His Excellency, distinguished Senator Hope Uzodimma, is on sabbatical leave in Imo State from the Senate. And by the grace of God, he has been doing so well. And we are very proud of his achievements so far. I therefore present this very important award to you, Your Excellency, for your performance on behalf of the Sun Publishing. Congratulations. This is to certify that His Excellency Senator Hope Uzodinma, Governor Imo State, is winner of this award, Governor of the Year 2021. On behalf of the management and staff of the Sun Publishing, I present this award to you. Congratulations.
Acceptance speech, please.
Your Excellency.
Music, cut the music, please. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the President of the Senate, Your Excellencies, my distinguished governors, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I feel very delighted for this unique award that is given to me today by Sun Newspapers. Sun Newspapers is one of the most widely read newspapers that reports very authoritatively. And indeed, I'm very glad that they're able to acknowledge the achievements and contributions of my government to the good people of Imo State. This award is very dear to me. While thanking the management of the newspaper, I want also to appreciate my very beautiful wife who accompanied me to this place, and also the people of Imo State whom I will dedicate this award to for giving me the opportunity to serve them. And to my party, the largest party in Black and White Africa, APC. APC is a very good party that offered me the opportunity to serve my people for their social interventions, for reformations, for reconstructions, for transformations, and for recovery. I'm very glad. I want to thank you and thank all of us. I'm a man of faith. I believe that this award is an endorsement from God. And given that being the case, I want to urge all of you to pray for the people of Imo State, for the recent challenges of insecurity, contrived by political opponents, to create distractions in our state, in order not to allow my train to move. By the grace of God, we're already moving and we will continue to move. May God bless all of us.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Please, let's exit the stage. Thank you. Exit the stage, please. Please. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I must state now. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, everybody. Okay. All right, this is the last one now, please. I'm going to stand here and my Calabar nature will show. If we don't want a crowd here, this stage is fragile, please. I'll stand here to make sure. The third recipient from Governor of the Year, Governor Bala Mohammed from Bauchi State. Please put your hands together for Governor Bala Mohammed from Bauchi. The entourage from Bauchi State. Oh, okay, thank you. The Senate President will do the honors, please.
Your Excellencies, the Executive Governors present, very distinguished and honored members of the National Assembly present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present the SAN Awards 2021 Governor of the Year to His Excellency Senator Bala Mohammed, Governor of Bauchi State. Senator Bala Mohammed is also one of our exports to the executive arm of government. A senator in 2007 and will remain a senator for life. Can be a former governor, but never a former senator. On behalf, and also a progressive, finding his way back. On behalf of the management and staff of the Sun Newspaper Publishing, I present to you this award. Congratulations, Your Excellency. This is to certify that His Excellency Senator Bala Mohammed, Governor of Bauchi State, is winner of this award, Governor of the Year 2021. On behalf of the management and staff of the Sun Publishing Company, I present to you this certificate of award, Your Excellency. Congratulations.
Your Excellency, the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Ahmed Lawan, the presenter of this award, Your Excellency, our host, the Governor of Lagos State and other governors that are here present, members of the National Assembly, my brother and my alumnus, the publisher of the Sun, the former publisher of the Sun, and the present publisher of the Sun, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am highly delighted on behalf of myself, my family, and the government and people of Bauchi State to come and receive this award of the Sun newspapers given by the management and staff of the newspaper. As a journalist, I know what this means. With the coverage and pedigree of this paper, I am not going to take this award for granted. I will assure you, whatever senses of judgment, whatever reasons that you have to adduce or to adjudge me worthy of this award, I will not disappoint you. I will cherish it, and the people of Bauchi State will cherish it, and it will not make me arrogant or feel high-handed, because my colleagues and other governors might have done better than me. Nobody knows who is better. But certainly for you to bring me out of my colleagues, I dedicate this to all my colleagues, the governors, and the people of Bauchi State. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Photographs, then we can proceed, please. Please, producer, please cue political icon of the year, please. Political icon of the year, please. Producer, please cue political icon of the year, please. All right, can we, the next category is political icon of the year. Please, can you play the tape for the political icon of the year, the visual citation, please. Political icon of the year.
Senator Ahmed Ibrahim Lawan is a reputable politician and a worthy bridge builder whose footprints in parliamentary politics since 1999 is second to none. Lawan represents Yobe North in the National Assembly. He is President of the Senate of the Federal Republic with an enviable record as the longest-serving member of the Nigerian National Assembly. As attested to by many people, Lawan speaks his mind without minding whose ox is God. In the Senate, he has taken actions that brought about reforms. First, as Chairman of Public Accounts Committee of the Senate, he spearheaded the unearthing of major illegal deals and fraud in ministries, departments and agencies. Lawan-led Senate passed the Deep Offshore and Inland Basin Production Sharing Contract Act 2004 Amendment Bill 2019. The passage of that bill at first earned the country over $500 million used by the executive in funding the 2020 budget. Currently, the country earns about $1.9 billion owing to the amendment of this bill. The Senate under Lawan passed the Petroleum Industry Bill, PIB, which stayed in the National Assembly for 20 years. The Ninth Senate also passed the Finance Bill, which has reformed the tax regime by amending several acts. The recent passage of the Electoral Amendment Bill against all daunting odds has made the Senate under Lawan the darling of many. All these were achieved because of Lawan's pragmatic approach to politics and the spirit of consensus. For his fearlessness, Senator Ahmed Lawan is the winner of the Sun Political Icon of the Year 2021.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, I have the pleasure of calling on to do the presentation Ladies and gentlemen, I want to call on I have the pleasure of calling on to present the award. Please, a round of applause for Chief James Ibori. To do the presentation, please. Is it? Can I have the plaque, please? Where's the plaque?
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed my pleasure on behalf of the board, management and staff of the Sun Newspapers Limited, I want to present this to you as a mark of honor for all you have done for Nigeria and that you still continue to do for Nigeria. The political icon of the year, and indeed you deserve it. To Your Excellency, Senator Ahmed Lawan, the Senate President, congratulations.
Thank you. So we're going to do photography. I think we've done that.
His Excellency Ahmed Lawan, Senate President, is the winner of this award, Political Icon of the Year 2021. To God be the glory.
Thank you. Okay, the Senate President will make his acceptance speech, please. Acceptance speech for the Senate President, please.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Lagos State, His Excellency Babajide Sanwo-Olu, my brother and friend, and congratulations for the critical multiple endorsements. Congratulations. Your Excellencies, the other governors of the various states who are here, very distinguished senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, honorable members of the House of Representatives, other distinguished ladies and gentlemen who are here, and those who are participating in this award session virtually. Let me, on behalf of the 108 distinguished senators of the 9th Senate and 360 members of the 9th National House of Representatives, thank and appreciate the management and staff of the Sun newspapers for this very important and historic award. I am sure the award has been given to me because I've been in the legislature or in the National Assembly for 2 decades and above. And that is to say that the legislature has been recognized at this stage. I am so happy and pleased and delighted that the Sun newspapers are able to sift through and see what the other arm of government, the legislature, is doing. Because more often than not, the legislature does not receive the kind of attention that it deserves from citizens, talk less of institutions. For us, in the 9th National Assembly, we believe that service to our fatherland, service to our people, service to the different senatorial districts and federal constituencies is paramount, and there is nothing more than that. Thank God for the last 3 years or so, less than 3 years, because we'll be 3 years by the 11th of June this year. But even before the 3 years, the 9th National Assembly has done tremendously well in the area of important, critical, and crucial legislations for national development. I am dedicating this award to previous presiding officers since Nigeria started as a democracy. Because whatever we would have achieved in the 9th National Assembly, there must have been some foundation set and founded by others before we came on board. I therefore dedicate also this award to the previous presiding officers of the Senate and presiding officers of the House of Representatives. Let me say that I've learned a lot from one very outstanding presiding officer. And his name is Senator David Mack, who was Senate President for 2 terms, the 6th and the 7th Assemblies. And of course, the 13th President of the Senate, my brother and friend, who was here before he left, I worked with him as a Senate leader. He made his contributions too, like previous presidents of the Senate did. I therefore cannot take credit for just the 9th National Assembly. But the 9th National Assembly stands out in one way. It stands out in the way of conquering those most difficult legislations that defied passage, or where they were passed, defied assent by Mr. President. Having said this, let me also pay tribute to President Muhammadu Buhari, because for us in the 9th Assembly, if not because we had the buy-in of the President to ensure that the legislature, the Assembly works very cordially with the executive arm of government, all the legislations wouldn't have been signed or assented to. And this President assented to more bills than all the previous presidents since the 4th Republic started. Fact check. Therefore, we believe that the legislature and the executive arms of government must always work together. They can disagree, but not to debilitate, not to cause friction to such an extent that citizens will not receive the services from government. Finally, once again, I want to thank the founder of the Sun newspapers, who is the chief whip of the Federation. This chief whip does not spare anyone, even the Senate President. He whips everybody. Mr. Chief Whip, where is the Chief Whip? Mr. Chief Whip of the Federation, no, he's the only one. Any other Chief Whip lies behind him. We want to thank you for being a very progressively minded person, very practical person, very reliable person. You have brought experience. You have supported this 9th Senate to achieve stability, productivity, and the kind of relationship that we would always like to see in the parliament. For Nigerians, I want to see the cup as half full. The cup is half full, not half empty. I don't want to see it as half empty. Yes, we are faced with numerous challenges, but it is also true and it's an established fact that we have also achieved a lot in the last 7 years. Those that are challenges, we can surmount them when we unite and fight against them. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Long live the Sun newspapers. And of course, long live, what's the other one? Long live, we have so many senators here, including those who are on sabbatical on the other side of government. And therefore, sometimes we get the wrong advice. But let me, on a very serious note, conclude by saying that you can see some governors who are standing behind me. The governor of Lagos State, maybe after 2027, and I would like to make a stay here, after 2027, maybe the road will lead you to Abuja. But we pray for you that you continue with good works that you have been doing in this state for the next 5 years. I say 5 years because you have 1 more year in your first tenure and 4 more years by the grace of God from 2003 to 2007, and we are very proud of you, Your Excellency, for what you have been doing in Lagos State. And our friend, Governor Bala Mohammed Kauram Bauchi, is on loan from the progressive camp to the conservative. I don't know whether they're even conservative really. I missed the opportunity to talk to my friend, the 13th President of the Senate, Senator Bukola Saraki, who is running with Senator Bala Mohammed, both of them senators. And for me, it's instructive that the legislature in Nigeria is growing very fast. In 1999, when we came to the National Assembly, we didn't even have offices. No offices for us. Today, 22 years after, or 23 years after, the 2 major political parties are led by senators. In the APC, Chairman, Senator Abdullah Adamu, Deputy Chairman, North, Senator Abubakar Kyari, National Secretary, Senator Omishere. You go to the PDP, a presiding officer for that matter, Senator Oicha Ayu, as the chairman. The secretary, Senator Chris Anyau, who was in the A's Assembly. And in fact, today, you see a lot of National Assembly members providing services in different facets of our life. It means we are growing the legislature, and that is what we are supposed to do, because that is what moves our democracy. As a parliament, we know our weaknesses, but as a nation, don't allow the parliament to suffer, and we shouldn't allow anybody, no matter how highly placed, to denigrate the parliament, because that is the sign of our liberty, that is the sign of our independence, and that is the sign of our democracy. Thank you very much, and have a good night.
Mr. President.
All right. Photographs so that they can disembark. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go to the next.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.